Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is my first unboxing. Yeah, so I have been struggling with my lighting, so I decided to order this Selfie. I think it's 8-inch ring light. It's for a cell phone holder. Well, I'm gonna just unbox it and we're gonna see what's all inside the box together and put it up together so we both can see how it works, because I've seen a lot of videos on YouTube but it don't really show everything that you want to know before purchasing it, and it was really cheap. I'll let you know. I'll leave all the information to this ring light below in the description box, so just check that out. So let's go ahead and open this up. Okay, a whole lot of bubble. So this is the box that the actual ring light is in. It's by this company right here. I'm not even going to try to butcher their name, but this is it right here. Like I said, I'll leave all the information below in the description box. So let's open this up. So inside the box, you'll get a thank you card for purchasing this ring light. So here's the instruction manual right here. It also comes with a warranty, a 30-day warranty. So make sure you take your time and read all of that. It will tell you about the parts and how to put everything together. Yeah, this is the actual ring light itself. So this is the tripod right here, and it comes in this nice little carrying case. It feels pretty nice. It's lightweight. It's not really heavy, but it doesn't feel cheap, although it's made of plastic, and these parts right here are metal. So I decided to unbox it right here so I can use this outlet to plug it in. But this is how the tripod looks right here, and it goes pretty high. You have a lot of settings like that. So the tripod is pretty long if you extend it all the way out. I just thought it was really nice to have because I know a lot of content creators follow me, or just people in general. Like, I think it's just really nice to have a good lighting when you want to take photos, or if you want vacation or anything like that. So along with the tripod, you get this little hook for your cell phone. This is just a retractable one. It's the same little one that comes on the selfie sticks. I don't know what this is. Maybe I need to read the directions as well, so give me 1 second. So this goes in here. Like so. And you just screw it in. So this is the little piece of what it looks like. And only thing you do is open it up here. It has a little clip on the back and you lift it up. And it's just like that. And you can attach it to your pole. Just like that. And you clip it right back. This is what will hold your phone in its place, just like that. And you have your phone here. You can rotate your phone horizontally or vertically depending on how you want to record or take your photos, so that's great as well. It's not like you have one standard spot to put your cell phone in. So now I'm going to attach the ring light. So this is the actual ring light, and I'm going to attach it to the tripod by just setting it on the screw like this. And on the tripod, you actually have two little knobs here that you can turn to screw the ring light onto it. So we're going to put the ring light on like that, and we're just going to screw it in by turning these two little knobs on the tripod. So it's good and secure, just like that. So I'm just keeping the tripod fairly low so you all can see. So you get a fairly lengthy cord with this as well, and it's just like this. It's a normal USB cord. You just get the USB. You don't get the one that actually goes into the wall that you have to put the USB in to plug it in. So I'm just going to use the one that comes with my cell phone. This is just my little wall charger piece, and I'm going to plug it into here like so and plug it into the wall. So on this little remote here, you do have a few options. This is the on and off switch, which you see is light up in blue. This ring light is dimmable, so you can adjust it to high or low setting. Quickly, I forgot to mention to you all what this little refresh button right here is for, and it's actually to change the lighting. You can actually go from
3 or 4 different settings. So this is the light that I was just showing you all that I was recording on, and if you press the refresh button, it changes to more of a cooler tone light. Then you'll get more of a golden light. So I thought that was really neat as well.
So I'm going to turn it on and let's see how bright it gets. So right now we're currently in natural daylight. It's about 6 or 6:30 in the afternoon, and let's see. That is nice and bright. You can turn it down. Oh, that is awesome, because I really have a problem with the ring light that I currently have that is not dimmable, and it tends to wash out my complexion completely. So I can adjust this one, and I really like that. And you can also go high. Oh wow, that's super bright. So what I'm gonna do right now is take my camera and bring it at a better angle where you all can see how this ring light would light up my face. So how I currently have it set up, I have the ring light behind my camera, and it's on its lowest setting right now. So I have the remote here, and I'm going to adjust it higher so you all can see how my complexion and how my lighting would change. Again, I am in natural daylight right now, and I'm just recording in front of my patio window because this is where I get the most natural light. Okay, so going up, that is 1 notch higher, another notch higher, another notch higher, and I think that is the brightest. Let's see. Oh no, it gets brighter. Oh my gosh. Okay, so that is as bright as it gets, and it's not bad. It still looks really well lit. It doesn't wash my complexion out completely, but I wouldn't probably go this bright. But I just wanted to show you all the different settings and how it looks with my complexion. And now I'm going to dim it back down. So starting at the highest setting, which is currently on right now, and I'm going downward. This is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, which still looks really good. 7, 8, 9. Okay, so that is at its lowest setting, which is currently look like it's not even on. So what I forgot to mention is that the little refresh button here is actually so you can change the color of the bulb. You can have it like it is, which is the regular color. You can change it to a cooler setting like that. You can have it a golden brown color, which is pretty cute, and then back to the normal setting. Now, however, the only thing is you can only adjust it up and down on the normal bulb setting. You cannot adjust it up and down on the golden or on the cool tan light. Just wanted to point that out because I think I forgot to mention that in my video. And if I turn it off, that is how it looks. So I just wanted to show you all the complete range of settings that come with this little ring light for the cheap, low price that you cannot beat. I really thought that this was a steal, so I wanted to share it with you all. Like I said, this video is not sponsored, but I really like this, and I just opened it up, but I was just so hyped to open it up and show you all because I think I would benefit, and anybody else, even if you are not a content creator. Like I said before, I think it's a really nice little gadget to have, especially if you're on vacation or you filming in a room or your space is like dark, or you like taking selfies all the time, or you like to go live on social media. I think it's really good lighting to have because who want to watch a dark video? Nobody. Okay, you want them to see your face. You want to get those bomb pictures. So I would definitely check it out if you can. It's no pressure, but I will leave a link again to this product below in the description box if you are interested. Thank you all again so much for watching. I hope this helps some of you all, and I will see you in the next one.